Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Say Crypto. This video is to show you a layer 1 project called Mirror Network. Mirror Network is a blockchain on its own. And Mirror Network is also a stable coin, which whereby if you mine one coin, it's equivalent to $1. That's the word of means stable coin. And once again, Mirror Network has a limit supply of 27 million total supply of the coin. And once again, please, I don't want anybody to miss this particular project. It's a mining coin which you can mine with your phone, laptop, and iPhone. Please, I don't want anybody to miss this particular project because it's going to be huge and it's going to change the narrative of other projects which is be punishing us, giving us a kind of headache. Mirror Network is stand on its own to prove to cryptocurrency to challenge other cryptocurrencies which are be fucking up with us. So please, I'm encouraging everybody to be in partaker in this particular project because Mirror Network is going to pay massively. Don't be surprised the day of listing of this project, Mirror Network is going to list above $3 because of the limit supply. So guys, let's dive in. And once again, if you come across my video for the first time, please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can get my next video. So let's go guys. And before you get to the, please click on the link description of this video and it will take you to app store or play store where you can download the app. And this is the how the app look like. You understand? You click on the app. As you can see, Mirror Network. This is the interface of the project. So what will you do here? You click on create account, and as you are creating, please make sure you put your real name written in your ID in your country. Please make sure so your name is exactly name written in your ID of your country. As for me, I'm a Nigerian. Please, so let's go. You put your name, your full name, your email, username, password. You understand? Like my own, my name is Excel. Excel. Let me put Excel Crypto. Okay. I put my Gmail. I'm doing everything practical. I'm not hiding anything for you guys to show how serious this project is. So if I had it for you, I'm equivalent hiding it for myself. So what will I put my username? Let me say OBE. I put my password. Now select my country, Nigeria. Okay, I put my phone numbers. Okay, I put my birthday. I'm doing everything practical. Okay, I click here. I understand, accept the condition, terms and condition, which is their policy. You click here, create your account, which is here. You click on the green. See what is written here. That's what I will have tell you guys. Please ensure all your details are correct before submitting. Your information must match your original document for your KYC verification. Account details cannot be changed after registration. Have you seen? Please, as you are registering it, register with very careful. Please watch this video today and so that you will understand where we are going in this project. Thank you guys. You click here, confirm. If you have cross-check your details, you click on confirm. So here now it will request you for invitation code, which the code you get from my description of this video. I create account completed account creation, which is this green. You click on it. As you can see, verify your details. Okay, username is already okay. Ibrahim said the username is already in use. So what will I do? I have to go and change the username. Let me say OB1. I add on word. I click on create again. I put the invitation code. So you have to wait. Okay, have you seen it? This is the question that they will ask you. Do you want to set up a lockup? Let me see. If you say yes, it will set up. But if you say no, maybe I myself, because of the reason of this video, I have to say no. But for you, I'm encouraging you to set your locking screen code, because this project is going to give us enough money. You understand? It's going to print a lot of USDT to us. Thank you. But for reason of this video, I have to select later. They ask me, do I like light or dark? Let me say light. Okay. Yes. Active ad for this. You may send yes, you may send, but for the reason of this video, I will say no. Would you like to see a DOM of the app? Let me say yes. Okay, this is how the project look like. You can mine once in 24 hours. You understand? So what will you do now? You click on this continue. This one is here. Click on continue. You click continue again. You click again. You click again. You are ready. This is how the project look like. So go on and read their white paper. So how will you start mining? You click on here. You click on it. It may request you, do you want to continue without or without ad? But for the reason of this video, I want to continue without ad, which is this down one. This one. I click on it. So that is it for now. So thank you guys. Please do well and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification. So that is how the project look like. Thank you guys. Thank you, and God bless you as you watch to the end.